Do y'all want to see what I picked this morning from the garden? Well, not really picked, what I clipped. I got some green onions. They're huge. I don't know if you can actually tell how big they are, but they're like as big as my finger. They're huge. So I'm gonna use these this week. I picked some parsley, clipped some of that for our ranch dressing. Clipped a bunch of dill. I did not plant this dill. I mean, I planted it probably 3 years ago, and it has just come back. So we've got our dill. And then I also did not plant garlic this year. I just chose not to. It just took up too much space this year, but I had some come back. I must not have dug up last year, and it was hardneck. And so I got 3 garlic scapes out of it. So you probably can't even see it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. These probably mean I'm gonna make some garlic scape pesto because that's my go-to with scapes. So I'm probably gonna make that this week. I do have a video on that, so I'm probably not gonna make a video on it. Maybe I will, just as a repeat. I don't know. But that is what I picked this morning. But we are going to use the parsley and the dill. I need 1.5 teaspoons of fresh dill. So I'm gonna cut this up. This is definitely 1.5 teaspoons. I'm just gonna not measure it. It's probably gonna be dill heavy, but that's okay. I'll just save the rest of this. All right, now I need 3 tablespoons of fresh parsley. All right, so it says it is in a bowl, but I'm gonna do it in this jar and shake it because I feel that's easier. So I need a 1/2 cup of buttermilk. I need a 1/2 cup of good quality mayonnaise. And then I need a 1/2 cup of sour cream. All right, now I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of fresh parsley. I didn't measure this, but it looks to be about 3 tablespoons, so that's what we're going with. We need 1.5 teaspoons of fresh dill. And a 1/2 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. We're gonna do a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. ¼ teaspoon of onion powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and some freshly cracked black pepper. All right, I'm gonna put a lid on this. That's what it looks like. Shake it up and give it a taste. looks like so far. Yeah, that's fantastic. All right, it did say to make this at least 8 hours before you need it because it's kind of watery. So I'm going to put the lid back on it, stick it in the fridge, and then I'll bring it out tonight when we make the wings. So that was that. It was really easy, especially when you grow the things that go into it. And it tastes so fresh. So fresh. Okay. Spoiler, we did try this ranch already. It's really good.
It's very fresh.
Yeah, it tastes really, really, really fresh. Like, it's good. I need to find a way to combine all the spices and stuff, like dehydrated, so I can make it in the winter and see if it tastes any different. I mean, I hate to say this, but I think it's better than the packet ranch.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah, but that stuff's good. But that stuff also, I think, has MSG in it. I think. I don't know. But
You can probably add it if you want, but...
I do own MSG. I could. It's good. What do you rate it?
10. It's very dilly. I mean, I guess you don't like dill or something.
Well, I think I may have put a little more dill than it called for, but I like dill, so that's why I didn't. Yeah, you probably just take the dill out. You don't like dill, but anyways, Jonathan is we're gonna consume these wings while they're hot and not soggy. So we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Yeah, I'm ready to go.